Video 16, the negative article. To use a negative in German, there are two options. Nicht, which means not, and kein, which means no or not any. Nicht goes with the verb phrases. Ich gehe nicht ins Kino. I'm not going to the cinema. Emil liest nicht. Emil doesn't read. Kein has to be used before nouns. Ich sehe keinen Film im Kino. Emil liest keine Bücher. If you want to negate a noun, you have to use kein. Nicht before a noun is wrong.
Kein follows the same pattern as ein, which we have already learnt. It varies depending on the gender and the case of the noun it refers to. So here is the ein table, which we've learnt in nominative and accusative, and you're going to be using these in the exercises which follow. And very simply, if you want to make it a negative, you just add a K on the beginning. So the lines will read kein,
Keine,
kein,
keine.
and the accusative masculine,
Keinen,
feminine keine,
kein,
and plural keine. So that means no or not any. Here are some examples.
Das ist ein Stuhl, das ist kein Stuhl.
Which means that is a chair and that's not a chair. And here ein becomes kein because this is masculine, and this is the nominative case because the nominative always follows the verb sein, which is to be. So das ist, everything that comes after that will always be in the nominative.
Ich habe einen Hund und ich habe keinen Hund.
So that means I have a dog and I don't have a dog, or I have no dog, literally. And this is masculine because Hund is masculine, and it's accusative because der Hund is the object of the verb to have. It's the thing that is being had.
Ich trage eine Bluse. Ich trage keine Bluse.
Here, Bluse is feminine, and it's in the accusative because it's the object, it's the thing that's being worn, and tragen is the verb to wear.
Ich esse ein Butterbrot. Ich esse kein Butterbrot.
Which mean I'm eating a sandwich, and I'm not eating a sandwich, or I'm eating no sandwich. But remember, if you're thinking in English, I am not eating a sandwich, you don't negate the noun, the verb in German. You more often negate the noun. So, kein Butterbrot is no sandwich. I'm eating no sandwich. And that's a neuter noun, Butterbrot, and it's in the accusative case here because, again, it's the object. It's being eaten.
Übung 1. Kein oder keine. Fill in the gaps.
This is a pretty straightforward exercise. You just need to work out which it will be, either kein or keine. And we have been very helpful here and given you the gender or the article that you would use with each noun. So just refer back to your notes and pause here and complete the gaps. Please write out the whole thing, so you should have 2 words in each answer.
And Übung 2. Complete the following sentences using the correct form of kein and the correct noun, which is given here in the brackets. Look them up and think about gender and case.
So here's the first one we've done as an example for you. Ich trinke blank, and you need to put I'm drinking no coffee. So the answer will be, because coffee is masculine, you look it up, you find coffee is masculine. You know it's the object, so it has to be in the accusative case because you're doing an action to the coffee, you're drinking it. So the answer will be?
Ich trinke keinen Kaffee.
So please write out your answers carefully, and we've given you a little bit of help with vocabulary and how to form your answers further down as they get more complicated.